right, what's good, bro? What kind of cut you trying to do today?
I'm trying to get a low fade and my bangs cut off because when they grow in, it'd be uneven.
Okay. You don't want me to cut it with scissors? You want to do like shorter, maybe like a 7 or 8?
Yeah, like a 7 or 8.
Okay. All right, bet you two. He usually gets like a low fade, keep the C cups, and he wants his bangs cut off. Last time we cut it with scissors. This time we're gonna cut it with a guard. Let's get into it. All right, we're gonna take our magic clips, go against the grain, and just cut his hair down. I'm kind of debulking the sides too. Notice how I'm going like in all different directions on the sides, but on the top I'm kind of like grazing it. I don't want to cut it too short. He usually gets it cut with scissors, but this time he just was like, take like an 8. I was going to do a 7, but I was like, nah, I want it to be safe. So notice how I'm kind of like grazing when I get to the top. I don't want to cut it too short, and I'm avoiding his bangs area because sometimes when you cut bangs with a guard, it can cut shorter than the rest of the hair. So that's some game for y'all. I'm setting my first bald line. If you guys are new to the channel, you know what to do. I ain't gotta say it, you know what to do. I'm fading with my magic clips today. Felt like using them. We're keeping that C cup area dark, and we just gonna blend that line out real quick. Same thing with the 1. This ain't a tutorial. We don't do that. We don't do those anymore. I'm just showing y'all what I do on a daily basis. Let's get it. Take that line out real quick. Then we move on up. And notice how I'm like complementing his head shape. He has a lump towards the back of his head. That's his occipital bone. So we're just complementing that. He has a nice head shape for this type of haircut. If you would have told me, oh, let me get a high fade, I would have said no. Wouldn't have fit him. It's your job to really... Now, if the client's really dead set on getting it, then tell him, look, it's gonna look bad, but I'll do it. And if he still wants to proceed, that's on him. But he knew this would look good on his head shape. He just came in and asked for a low fade. Let's get it. So we're gonna do a rough draft of his C cup real quick, just to establish like that, the presence of it, so that we don't accidentally like fade it out. So I take my clipper, doing some corner work right there. I think this cut came out fire, especially with the tattoos on his neck. Came out fire, man. Beard, blending the beard in. Now for this side, this was the more difficult side, but we still got the job done. Same thing. We're gonna debulk first this time, and then go in with our first guideline. I switch up my processes. No reason. There's no meaning behind it. It's just, I just be feeling like it. Utilizing my corner with the guard and just making good use of the full blade of the clipper. As you can see, it was a slight dark spot in that area. Now this side, C cup, same thing. Doing a rough draft real quick. Now we're gonna blend in his beard. I'm gonna do some shear over comb and kind of point cut with my scissors, just to take out and refine the fade. Take out some slight dark spots I see. Same thing on this side, just point cutting. And now we're gonna do our final draft of the C-cup. So he wants the bangs cut. As you can see, they're hanging over. So now I'm gonna graze it with my 8 guard. So I got my Babyless FX clippers. And I started in the middle, working towards my right side first. And he does want enhancements. Establishing those vertical bars on both sides, not pushing it back, keeping it natural, and now we're gonna spray our enhancement. I use Tomb 45 for anyone wondering. I use the black and brown color, usually. And the hair is gonna be flinging around. I usually just ignore it. Then I'll go back in and like comb the hair down and then redo the lineup. So like I just did, I just redo it. Now I'm doing his beard. Use my promo code. It's on the screen if you want money off an Easy Blade order. And we doing the bottom of his beard, making sure it's nice and sharp, fits his neck shape. And we doing the other side with the razor. This is how my client came in. And this is how he's leaving. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's 4. I'm out. Peace.